What's up YouTube? Goonies here with another demo vid for you guys. This one here is called Red Light. It is a 500 gram cake by BlackCat PYROS. This is the 2018 lineup with their new stuff. I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see that. Let me zoom in. If you guys want to read it, you're more than welcome to. Multi-shot aerial, mixed vertical sequential fan firing. The artwork looks pretty sick. Again, it's a 500 gram cake. Let me show you what the picture looks like for what it's supposed to look like. Let's go light it up and let me know what you guys think. Red light. Not bad.